Hi there, and thanks for stopping by the Wallace Chev Used Car Channel. Today we're looking at a 2010 Toyota Corolla CE with less than 66,000 kilometers on it. This one features a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and front-wheel drive, and it comes with some great features on it, including the Enhanced Convenience Package, which brings a lot of features, including keyless entry, body-colored door handles on there. It has a tire pressure monitoring system. It even has vehicle stability control with traction control as well, so this Corolla is even safer in the winter. And it has a great interior as well, very clean, and it comes with some great features, including an auxiliary input, AC with pollen and dust filter, power windows with a driver's auto down feature, and it even has folding power heated outside mirrors, so they will always stay free of snow. We also get a key fob trunk release, power everything, 60/40 bench seats, and lots more. Best of all, it's only $12,995 plus taxes, so we've priced it very affordably here at Wallace. Not only that, but we also have this other 2010 as well, and lots of other great vehicles, so don't forget to click the link at the top of your screen right now to have a look at those. This Corolla here is stock number 213-672A. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.